If you are a graphic designer looking for the best AI tools that work seamlessly with your Adobe Creative Suite, you've come to the right place. AI can be an incredible tool for increasing productivity, enhancing creativity, time savings, and improved consistency. As graphic designers, it is so important for you to be at the forefront of AI. These are a few of the apps and extensions that have designers talking right now. And if you are in the industry, you need to know as much as you can about AI and what tools will be beneficial. Let's talk about incorporating AI into your Adobe Creative Suite. Adobe Sensei has integrated AI into its suite of products. This AI framework powers features like content-aware fill in Photoshop and automated photo curation in Lightroom, making design tasks more efficient. You might even have this app available for you already. Check your Creative Cloud account, add in the extension, and test it out on your current work. NVIDIA Canvas is an AI-powered painting tool that seamlessly integrates with Adobe Photoshop. It assists in taking simple brush strokes and turns them into lifelike digital paintings and concept art quickly. Designify is an AI-powered extension for Adobe Illustrator. It offers design suggestions, color palettes, and image searching, removes backgrounds easily from any image, adding realistic shadows and enhances colors, which help designers explore new ideas effortlessly. Deep Dream Generator is an AI tool that transforms photos into dreamlike, surreal artworks. Designers can use this to create unique, eye-catching visuals. And finally, we have Opolis. This is a free AI extension for InDesign, Photoshop, Illustrator, and InCopy. You can insert AI-generated text from ChatGPT and AI-generated imagery into your Adobe Creative Cloud documents without having to leave your apps. In conclusion, AI can be a game changer for graphic designers, offering increased productivity, enhanced creativity, and time savings. By incorporating AI tools and extensions into Adobe products, you can supercharge your workflow and deliver outstanding results. Remember, while AI can assist and expedite the design process, the human touch and creativity remain invaluable. Like and subscribe for more graphic design content, and leave a comment below if you would like a more in-depth analysis of any of these mentioned apps.